when our government, we are going to create an enabling economic environment that will make your businesses thrive. We are going to make sure that we become guarantors to credible business people. That is what happened in every civilized clime, so that it can enhance, energize, and increase your businesses. And we are going to industrialize the states. And because we are industrializing the states, your businesses will strive. Because we are going to inject a lot in tourism, the population of the state will increase per time, and it will also have resultant effect on the economy. Kogi State is too rich to be poor. Kogi is supposed to be the richest state in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, because the mineral resources we have, no other state have it. But because of bad leadership, we have not been able to promote, utilize, distribute, and market these resources. It's because the Constitution has not been amended. If a man spends 10 years anywhere in America, you can lay claim to that place. That is why Clinton was a governor in Arkansas and the wife was a senator from New York. Because there is no state of origin in America. What you have is state of residence. Anywhere you reside at that time is your state. And that is what will happen to Nigeria very soon. So I want to appreciate that you have been living in this community and you are living peacefully. We've never had any problem with the Igbos in Kababunu local government. That relationship festered. I'm going to have a clear relationship with you, and the gate of government house is open to you at all times. I promise. The Bible says that it's better